In this video, I'm going to clean up a mirror frame. I threw it earlier in another video. It was upside down, and it was leather hard. I flipped it over onto another bat, and so now I've got a little bit of a lip there from the surface that it contacted the bat with when it was being thrown. So I'm just going to clean up that curve a little bit and make it nice and smooth, and then I'll get ready to stain it. And after the staining, then we'll do the carving. So I'm just softening it up here. I'm going to press it down and make sure it's nice and smooth. Here I'm starting to add the stain to the surface. There's a little bit of an opening in the middle there with the natural clay to show, and then there'll be a little opening on the outside lip of the bowl or the mirror frame that'll show the natural clay. And after it's relief carved, you'll see a lot more of the clay also when the pattern is fully completed. So here I'm starting a little, it's part of a decorative ring, and it'll also be it'll be part of a border ring. For the inside pattern will go up to the inside or the smaller diameter, and the outside pattern will go to the larger diameter. So here I'm starting to break it up into sections. There's 12 sections in this pattern, and I'm starting to do a little more detail work with some of the pattern in the middle section of the mirror frame. I'm using little music wire tools here and repetitive pattern all the way around. They'll be carved out to the edge, and then the end of each one of those extensions will be rounded off so it has nice little tangent curves on it that look like they flow relatively smoothly. So here it looks like the pattern is pretty much done on the middle. I'm just cleaning up a border pattern on the outside. Sometimes it's a little complicated, sometimes it's not too complicated like the one you see. This material also again will turn black, the stain will turn black, and the clay will be like a medium brown when it's fired to cone 6. And that's pretty much it, what it takes to carve one of these mirror frames as it is. When it's completed, the mirror will be added and there'll be a wire added. That little ring on the underside there will have 2 little holes for the wires to go through. That would be, I'll hang it from the wall.